Welcome to the introduction of Tesla driver profiles. These innovative features allow multiple users to personalize their driving experience in Tesla vehicles. Tesla driver profiles enable each driver to save and recall their preferred settings, making every drive feel customized and comfortable. You can customize a wide range of settings, including seat positions for optimal comfort, mirror angles for better visibility, steering wheel adjustments, climate control for temperature preferences, audio settings, navigation options, and even driving modes. These profiles are accessed through the vehicle's touchscreen controls, providing a seamless and intuitive way to manage personalizations. This video series will guide you through setting up driver profiles, configuring the easy entry feature for automatic access, and adjusting seat and mirror memory settings. We'll explore how to create and manage profiles on the Tesla touchscreen interface. These features are available on all major Tesla models, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and the Cybertruck. Whether adjusting seats for the perfect driving position or mirrors for optimal visibility, Tesla driver profiles make personalization effortless. To access driver profiles, navigate to Controls, then Driver Profile on your Tesla's touchscreen. You can create up to 10 profiles per vehicle. Personalize each profile with a name, avatar, and your preferred settings. Link profiles to keycards, phone keys, or biometric data for automatic recognition for seamless use. Easy Entry automatically unlocks the doors and presents the keycard when you approach your Tesla. It uses sensors and cameras to detect your approach. This feature relies on ultrasonic sensors and cameras. It's disabled in valet mode for security. On select models like Model S Plaid and Cybertruck, biometric options like facial recognition enhance this feature, reducing the need for physical keys. First, ensure your Tesla is in park mode. This safety feature prevents accidental movement during setup. On your touchscreen, go to Controls, then select Locks to access the Security Settings menu. In the Locks menu, enable both Walk-Away Door Lock and Easy Entry. These features use sensors to automatically secure and unlock your vehicle. Now select your driver profile from the menu. Then toggle Auto Unlock to assign Easy Entry specifically to your profile. With these settings configured, your Tesla will automatically unlock and present the key card as you approach the vehicle, creating a personalized and seamless entry experience. Seat and mirror memory settings allow your Tesla to automatically adjust the seats, including front and rear on compatible models, and mirrors to your saved positions when your driver profile is selected. This feature uses advanced hardware like stepper motors in the seats and electronic actuators in the mirrors for precise adjustments within 1 millimeter. The positions are stored locally on the vehicle and can be synced through your Tesla account for consistency across vehicles. It's a great way to fine-tune your driving experience, ensuring optimal comfort and ergonomics every time you enter the vehicle, reducing setup time and enhancing safety. Start by manually adjusting your seat and mirrors to your desired positions. This sets the baseline for memory storage. Next, access the vehicle's touchscreen and navigate to Controls, then select Driver Profile. Select your profile from the list, then choose Save Seat and Mirror Positions to store your current settings. Enable Auto Adjust to automatically recall these positions when you enter the vehicle. The memory is stored locally and can be synced via your Tesla account, with adjustments precise to within 1 millimeters. To get the most out of your Tesla driver profiles, regularly update your vehicle's firmware through over-the-air updates. This ensures access to the latest personalization features, security improvements, and bug fixes, including enhancements to easy entry and memory settings. Double-check that your driver profile is correctly linked to your physical key card or digital phone key. This connection enables seamless, easy entry recognition and prevents authentication issues when approaching your vehicle. Explore your driver profile's additional personalization features, such as climate control preferences for automatic temperature settings and driving mode adjustments for steering feel and acceleration. These options let you tailor your Tesla to match your personal driving style. If your profile isn't syncing correctly, try restarting your Tesla's touchscreen or relinking your keycard. Here's how to relink your keycard. Note that not all settings are profile-specific on base models. Premium features require higher trims. Tesla is continuously improving driver profiles with AI-driven personalization and integration with its ecosystem. Stay tuned for future updates. Check Tesla's official app or website for the most up-to-date information.